If you're a nail professional who's serious about excellence, you know that the standards of care are always evolving. Well, today, we're going to dive into a solution that's set to completely redefine what's possible in your clinic. Let's talk about SilverStream. Right off the bat, you need to know this isn't just another cosmetic product you'd find on any shelf. Its foundation is actually in clinical wound care, and it's been meticulously adapted for the specific needs of professional nail care. That origin story alone tells you we're on a whole different level of quality and science here. And to back that up, the solution is FDA 510K cleared. That's a big deal. It's a designation for medical-grade devices. Plus, it's already trusted by professionals like you in 33 countries. So yeah, this is a proven, globally recognized technology. Okay, so let's get right to the heart of it, right? The professional's daily dilemma. It's this simple fact. Every single procedure, no matter how perfectly you perform it, carries some inherent risk. You know this better than anyone. Even your most flawless work, your most precise manicure, disrupts the skin's natural barrier. It's unavoidable. And that tiny, microscopic disruption can open the door to things like irritation, dryness, and even a potential imbalance in the skin's microbial environment. It's the challenge you face with every single client who sits in your chair. And let's be honest, for years, the choices for dealing with this haven't been all that great. On one hand, you've got these really aggressive, harsh treatments that can sometimes cause more problems than they solve. And on the other, you have gentle options that, well, often feel like they're not really doing much at all. So the big question has to be, is there a better way? And here, you can really see the difference. The old way, it's often harsh. It can strip the skin, cause imbalance. But the SilverStream approach, it's fundamentally different. It's all about being gentle yet effective, about preserving healthy tissue and really supporting the skin's natural balance. So, what is SilverStream exactly? Let's break down the official description. It's a hypertonic buffered solution, and it has these really interesting hydrogel-like properties. Now here's the crucial part. It's protected from microbial contamination by a very low, very specific concentration of ionic silver. So this isn't just silver and water slapped together, it is a very carefully engineered formula. The whole philosophy behind it can actually be boiled down to 3 simple, powerful words. This is the core concept you'll want to remember. Prepare, protect, and maintain. Let's break that down because it's so smart. First, you prepare the skin and nails, creating a perfectly clean and balanced canvas for your work. Then you protect that delicate skin barrier while you're doing the procedure. And third, you empower your client to maintain that skin health and balance long after they've left your clinic. See? It's a complete cycle of care. All right, so how does it actually get the job done? Let's take a quick look at the science behind its gentle but really powerful action. First up, there's a surfactant in there. But don't think of it like a harsh soap. It's more like a smart cleanser. It gently lifts away debris, oils, and other contaminants from the surface, and it does it all without needing a harsh scrubbing or friction. That's key for preserving the skin's integrity. Next, you've got a couple of ingredients that are all about client comfort. Glycerol is fantastic. It supports the skin's natural moisture balance, helping to prevent that tight, dry feeling. And then there's a touch of menthol that provides this immediate, soothing, cooling sensation. It feels really premium, and trust me, your clients will notice that difference. And of course, the silver. Now, it is really important to be precise here. In a low concentration, those silver ions act as a highly effective preservative for the solution itself. What does that mean? It means it keeps the product hygienic by working against common bacteria and fungi within the formula. And finally, a couple more crucial points. The entire formula is pH balanced, so it works in harmony with the skin, not against it. And it has this unique hydrogel-like behavior. That means it kind of clings gently to the skin's surface, which helps support comfort and stability right where you apply it. So the science sounds great, but where's the proof, right? This isn't just marketing speak. Everything we're talking about is backed by solid clinical and laboratory evidence. So let's just run through the key findings. Studies show it's non-toxic, it does not harm healthy tissue, which is a huge differentiator from those harsher alternatives. It's proven effective against common bacteria and fungi as a preservative in the formula, and it has demonstrated activity against biofilm, that slimy little shield that microbes can create. Okay, now this is where things get really smart for your business. Let's talk about the dual use advantage. This is all about going from your clinic right into your client's home. The product was literally designed for this model.
You use it in your professional service to prepare and protect, and then your client takes a bottle home for their continued daily maintenance. You're creating this seamless bridge of care that starts with your expertise.
So, is it complicated to use? Not at all. It is incredibly simple. You either spray it on or apply it as a foam. Then you gently cleanse the area with a soaked gauze or pad. And, this is crucial, there's no harsh rubbing and no rinsing required. It's so efficient and easy to pop into your existing workflow. Let's talk about the practical stuff for a second, the things that matter for your business. It comes in multiple sizes, 100 milliliter that's perfect for retail, and larger 250 and 500 milliliter bottles for your professional use. It has a 3-year shelf life, and you just store it at room temperature. No special conditions, no hassle whatsoever. So, the bottom line is this. The clinic-to-home model does 3 huge things for you. 1, it supports better, more consistent results for your clients. 2, it enhances your professional reputation. You become known as the person offering advanced, science-backed care. And 3, of course, it creates a brand new, valuable retail revenue stream for your clinic. It's a win-win-win. So, to sum it all up, what are the key advantages? It's a medical-grade device. It's non-cytotoxic, which is the scientific way of saying it's gentle on healthy tissue. It has a pH-balanced formula with an effective preservative system, and it's all built around that powerful Clinic Plus home use model. If you take just one thing away from our chat today, let it be this. SilverStream is a modern alternative to aggressive keratolytic care. It really represents a shift towards smarter, gentler, and just plain more effective professional standards. So the final question really is for you. Are you ready to offer this new standard of care to your clients? If you want to see all the data and discover more about how this could work in your clinic, just visit the website you see on your screen.